Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to remove someone from your Trello board. So first of all, you got to go to your Trello board, and then as you guys can see, this is my Trello board, and you're going to click on the share button. So you got to like first share with it, and then you're going to see this guy. So this is another member in my workspace, and I'm going to click on the right column, and I'm going to click on member, and I'm going to press remove from board. I can also make him the admin observer, but I need the upgrade version, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove him from the board, and he will be removed. You can also do this for your other Trello boards, but you gotta make sure that the guy is invited, and also you're the admin. If you're not the admin, you won't be able to do it. Also, let's say you shared it, so let's share it again. So I'm gonna click on share. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the member, and I'm gonna remove from board. So that's how you do it. That's how you remove people from your Trello board. We're uploading videos about how to use Trello, so make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.